Hello everybody, Ben Woodruff here with another Falconry video. Today's video is Ben Recommends. I want to make you aware of a video that was just recently put up. This video was made a few years ago, and it's about the life history of sage grouse. But before we get into that, what I want to explain, I did a video before on respecting the quarry, and what I've seen is falconers usually get into falconry because of a love of the birds. They want to work with birds, connect with birds, hold a real falcon on their fist. That's usually the captivating idea, or an idea along those lines. But once they have practiced falconry for a while, been in the field, and actually helped this bird to have success hunting, they become hyper aware of all that's going on in the natural world. Predatory animals that want to kill your bird, prey that you don't want your bird to go after. Maybe a skunk to a domestic cat you don't want your goshawk to go after, right? Or something that's out of season. The point is, you get to learn all these cycles of nature. You get immersed into it. You get uprooted out of the world of civilizations and artificial homes, and you get to kind of live in that space, and it's a beautiful thing. And what happens to a lot of falconers, and in my opinion among the best falconers there are, is a deep understanding and love and appreciation for the quarry species that they hunt with their birds. And that happens with a lot of hunters, but especially with falconry. Now, Steve Chindgren is a falconer of the absolute highest caliber. He's known all over as an amazing hunter with large falcons on the sage grouse. That's what he's specialized for the past several decades, is hunting sage grouse. He's also a world-class wildlife educator, and he's been a mentor figure to me as well. This video that he produced, living in the sage lands of Wyoming during the hunting season, and really getting to know this species better than anybody else, he's done incredible work to help biologists and wildlife agencies to understand sage grouse better, the needs, the limitations and dangers they face, and their true numbers. And this video that I want to just kind of spotlight is about the life history of sage grouse. And he worked his tail off. You have decades of knowledge of this species that you're not going to get from anybody else. No internet website, no other video is going to have insight like this video does. Even to showing hatchling sage grouse, which nobody has that. No biologists out there are like, hey, look, we've got video footage of... You can't find them, but Steve Chindgren did. So I will include two links with this video. One is a link to his video about sage grouse, and please go check out the video, subscribe to his channel, show him some love. And then also, I'll have a link as well to a video I made before on the subject of respecting the quarry. It's a very good video. And it's a subject that a new falconer usually does not consider. So, hope you enjoy Steve's video. Hope you get a chance to check out my video on the subject of respecting the quarry. And as always, happy hawking.